According to the web search results, the average cost to treat a dog with a fish hook in its mouth depends on the location of the hook and the type of treatment. If the hook is embedded in the skin, it may be removed with a local anesthetic and sedation, costing less than $500. If the hook is swallowed, it may require endoscopy or surgery, costing between $800 and $1,500 or more. The dog may also need antibiotics, pain medication, and gastro-protectants. Subscribe to our channel for more pet information videos.